Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about how to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Alright, let's get started. Now there are two methods to do this, and the first is using the Coinbase app. And the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open the Coinbase app, then tap the three horizontal lines or the gear icon, tap buy or sell, and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So if that's Bitcoin or Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever, just go ahead and tap that, and then enter the amount you want to buy in your local currency or in cryptocurrency. Then the next thing you need to do is review these transaction details, including the exchange rate and fees. And once all that is settled, tap buy to complete the transaction, and that's it. You got your cryptocurrency. Now the second method is using the Coinbase website. So first thing you need to do there is log into your Coinbase account on the Coinbase website. Click on buy or sell in the top navigation bar. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Enter the amount you want to buy in your local currency or cryptocurrency. Then review the transaction details. Of course, check out the exchange rate, make sure the fees, everything is all right. And then once you're satisfied, click buy to complete the transaction. Now there are four methods to pay for your cryptocurrencies. Now the first you can use is the bank account. You can use your debit card, you can do wire transfer, or you can use PayPal. But you got to take note, PayPal is only available in some regions. Now the last thing you need to take note of is transaction fees and conversion fees. For the transaction fees, a percentage of the transaction amount is deducted by Coinbase, and for the conversion fee, that's a fee for converting your local currencies to cryptocurrencies. So just got to take note of those two, and all is good. Alright, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment, let me know your thoughts on the video. Share the videos with your friends and all, let them all see the video and enjoy it as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.